In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Yotpo on Shopify. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Shopify account and you have access to the store where you want to add Yotpo. We'll move step by step, and by the end, you'll have the Yotpo product reviews app installed and ready for onboarding. Start on your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin homepage where you can see orders, products, and all the key sections for managing your store. From here, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Shopify keeps all of the apps you've installed, and it's also the starting point for discovering new ones. On the Apps page, look for an option that says All Recommended Apps. Click on that. Shopify uses this section to highlight apps that are popular or especially useful for stores like yours. It's a quick way to get into the app discovery flow. Next, you'll see a button or link that takes you to the Shopify App Store. Click on Shopify App Store. This will open the main marketplace where you can search for and install third-party apps that extend your store's functionality. Once you're in the App Store, move to the search bar at the top. Click into the search bar, type Yotpo, then confirm the search or click the Browse option to see results. You should now see a list of Yotpo-related apps. Look specifically for Yotpo Product Reviews app. When you see it in the results, click on it to open the app's details page. On the Yotpo Product Reviews page, you'll see an overview of what the app does, reviews, pricing information, and screenshots. When you're ready, click the Install button. Shopify may now redirect you back to your store's admin area and show you a confirmation screen that outlines the permissions Yotpo needs to work with your store data. On that permission screen, click Install again to confirm. This second confirmation ensures that you understand and approve the access the app is requesting. After installation, you'll be taken to the Yotpo onboarding page inside your Shopify admin. Before proceeding, find the checkbox that says you have read and agreed to Yotpo's terms of service. Tick that checkbox, then click on Get Started. From here, Yotpo will guide you through a simple onboarding process. Just follow the prompts on screen to configure basic settings, connect your products, and begin setting up how reviews will appear on your storefront. Once you complete that guided flow, Yotpo will be fully integrated and ready to help you collect and display product reviews on your Shopify